If you want to change app icons on Google Pixel 11 Pro, first of all, we want to open Settings. Now over here, in Settings, go to Wallpaper and Style, switch from the lock screen preview to the home screen preview, and then we're gonna swipe up from this bottom section to reveal these options. Now here we should be able to go to Icons, and first we have the Style selection. So we have the default style. You can also switch to minimal style, which is going to apply this, let's say, monochrome color, or just single color, or just two colors at most, I guess, based on the color over here. So if I now switch to a different color, there we go, as you can see, colors for apps update as well. But besides that, you can also go to the create option here in the style to create your own style. So if I choose, let's say, easel over here, there we go, then we should be able to find our icons. Now here we have also a little prompt icons painted in jade, which we can actually switch to one of these other options. So if I choose bold luminous, then we should be able to create icons based on that, and there we go, now they look slightly different. But let's say I'm gonna switch to denim, actually, there we go, and this is how it looks like. What you can also do is you can tap on any of these icons that you can see here. Let's say I'm gonna choose this messages app, and you can tap on create new style, so it's going to be refreshed. So we can try to slightly change the appearance of that icon in case you don't like it, until you find something that you actually like. Let's say this one looks good, so now we just need to download it, and here just make sure that it is selected. And there we go. Once we go back to the selection of styles, make sure that it is selected here, and there we go. Unfortunately, it only applies on the home screen. It doesn't change the appearance of icons in the app drawer. Leave a like and subscribe.